Hi friends, this video shows how to reset network settings and fix network problems. Open settings app, tap on this icon, then go down, then select additional settings, then go down, then select backup and reset, then select erase all data. So here you can see reset network settings. So this option will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. It also delete existing APN, then create a new working APN. So let me tap on this option, then tap on reset network settings. Now resetting. Okay, done. If this is not fixing your problem, you can try reset settings only. Tap on this option, then tap on reset system settings only. So this option will reset system settings including network settings. Then tap on reset system settings only. Now it's restoring. Okay, done. So these are the two options to reset network settings and fix network problems. So please try it.